Hey everyone! Today I share how to edit a picture of a sketch like a scan. So, let's do this. First, I always convert the layer to Smart Object to keep the quality for the next step. The second step, always check the image size. We have 300 for the small print, 150 large size print, and 72 for the web. Rotate the picture, you go to image rotation, duplicate the layer. Now we have two layers. We need to add a blend mode for top layer. You just go up here, click and select color dodge, or you can try a different blend mode. Select one, then press up and down on a keyboard. So, as you can see, better is color dodge. Just go to opacity, adjust like you want. Now we need to select the background. You can select that, just choose magic tool selection. Or we can merge the layers. Select all the layers, click right and select merge layers. We have one layer now, and we will try to select the background. Select the color, so the gray of the background. Just I will show you how. So you go to select color range and use the shift to select all the colors that you need to be selected, and alt for the colors that you don't want to be selected. Click OK. And we can adjust the contrast, the brightness. Go down and choose hue saturation to adjust the background color. See the difference? So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.